Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exchange crypto on crypto.com. So the first thing that you want to do is obviously go into your crypto.com app. Now from here, you want to click on the trade icon, and on the trade icon, you want to hit buy. Now here we'll see all our different cryptocurrencies, and you can just click on whichever one you want to buy. Now from here, we will be brought to the buying screen. And what you want to do is once you're on the section that says cash on startup, you just want to move to the section that says crypto. From here, it'll show you all the different cryptocurrencies and how much you have of each. So you can see I don't have any, so I won't be able to complete the transaction, but you would choose whichever cryptocurrency you want to use to buy the new cryptocurrency. And that is essentially how you will make trades on crypto.com. So for instance, let's just say you wanted to use Ethereum. You would click on Ethereum, and where mine says insufficient balance, yours would say something like continue or confirm. You would be brought back to the buying screen, and it would show you what the conversion rate is on the top, and all you want to do is hit buy. And from there, it'll bring up a second screen where you will just click confirm. And that's how easy it is to exchange cryptocurrencies on crypto.com. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider hitting subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.